To cancel a recurring investment on Webull, follow these simple steps. Open the Webull app, log in, launch the Webull app on your mobile device and sign into your account. Go to your portfolio, access portfolio, tap on the portfolio tab to view your current investments and any recurring investment plans. Locate recurring investment, find the investment plan, scroll down or search for the stock or ETF that has an active recurring investment plan. Recurring investment details, tap on the specific investment to access details about the recurring plan. Edit or cancel recurring plan, modify or cancel. Once you're in the recurring investment details, look for the option to edit or cancel the recurring plan. Tap cancel, select cancel recurring investment to stop the automatic investments. Confirm cancellation, confirm action. Webull will ask you to confirm the cancellation. Double check your choice and confirm the cancellation to finalize. Verify cancellation, check status. Return to the portfolio or recurring investment section to ensure the plan has been successfully cancelled.